Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger full stop. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger full stop, you just go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will search about Messenger. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Okay, here then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find Messenger. You can click uninstall app, and then you can wait a moment and you can install again your app. Then you can go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.